For those of you who are unaware, I used to be an avid YouTuber. I have since toned it way down since our last child. But one of the things I specialized in were hair tutorials, and they were gorgeous and simple and complicated, lots of braiding. Absolutely love that. I'm self-taught and I wanted to give back and show others what I learned. There's over 100 videos and I'll link that below. I realized something though. I didn't know how to do hair at all. So I thought until well after college, well after I've had my first child. So that's only been within the last 13 years that I knew how to do hair, or so I thought. My entire childhood was either my hair down with awful bangs and a headband, or ponytail like this, regular middle ponytail. I decided just for fun to do it today. It's not my favorite look, and it kind of reminds me of all the days that I didn't know how to do hair, and that was just the go-to. I had forgotten how difficult a regular ponytail is on my head, because you have to put your head upside down to get all the hair going the right direction, because this is long hair. It's all the way down my waist, so I have to turn my head over to get the bottom to do that, and then the top, and then hold it all in place and not have it go all crazy on you while you get the band over it, and pull the hair through on this side, twist, pull the hair through on this side, twist, repeat on this side. And then of course what happens, I've got a ridge on top, because my head, most people's heads are not actually flat on top. My head's really not flat on top. It's got quite the ridge of my skull right there. It goes down. So to try to make this look smooth without making it look pointed is extremely difficult. And your arms are getting a workout. And this, I would say, is one of my hardest hairstyles that I've ever done. This ponytail. And I had hair this long when I was doing it as a kid. Oh my goodness. Kudos to me.